Yeah, hi. Today we are going to discuss about the branches and how we uh, resolve the conflict while we do the matching. So generally, we create the branches. So the branches which we create in the application here. So here we have the option to create the branches as well. So right click here, and there you have the option to create a branch. So click on it and create the branch. So I'm just giving uh, team one. So now the team one is the working on their code changes. Like in our real time application, we might have a number of teams where working on their code changes. So the team one and team two, um, they are working on the same rules to be modified as per their stories. So how the teams could resolve that issue, overcome the conflict while doing the match, right? So just we need to understand here. So any of the rule we trying to modify or code changes on based on the story. I mean business. So how we can resolve that issue on the conflict? So generally, we need to understand when we get that conflict issues. So now let me take an example here. Take any other rule here. I'm just taking one rule here. So create any rule. Just try to understand the concept here. So suppose there is a rule. The rule is there in some version, right? So there is a 0101, for example. So now team one and team two were copying that rule into their branches. So let's see, I'm copying this rule into the team one branch. It's a bit loading, and so once I copying, so select the branch here and the layer which we use to maintain the rules. So select the framework layer and the class and the rule set. Now click on create and open. So this rule I copy into this branch. So in this branch, so I can do anything that the modification which I want. So now let's see parallelly the team two also um, you know um, modifying the same rule, for example. So let's see, I'm trying to create branch two as well. So team two as well. So that you can understand better. So now right click on this here, the branches on this, the application, and there click on create branch, and now we can create team two. So now click on submit. So once we've done this, so there we have two teams, team one and team two. So let's see, the same time team two as well, they copied the rule from this, the rule set. Click on the save as. So might you see the issue with, I mean, different operators, but as of now, I'm doing with the same operator. For your understanding, what happened that once we match, we're trying to match, so how that conflict will face it and how we can resolve it. So now, this is the rule which is in the framework application, and select the class and the rule set. Now click on create and open. And now the team two uh, and team one, both the teams were working on the same rule, but they are copied from the same, same version. Now this is telling that already I am the operator, hold that checkout, right? So this is telling that I couldn't able to, hold the checkout because it's already there, the rule in my checkout. So now I'll do one thing then. Better I do log in with another operator then. So, so for that, I do create a one more operator. So here, I do save as. So I give as a tbank admin 2. Now click on create and open. So now, this tbank admin 1 and tbank admin 2, just give the full name and save it. So now here, um, admin 2 and log into this application now. So let this admin 2 working on team 2 and admin 1 is working on team 1 branch as a mid. And now let's see, this is the role team 2 and the branch, branch team 2. So working what? T-Bank, T-Bank admin 2 is working with the team 2 role. So now let's go to this team 2 branch and see that the rules, click on it here, click on to open. And now let's see, I do modify, or I can just, I don't know anything here, just check out here. And now just modified by admin 2. Okay. I'm just giving the comment here. I don't do any changes, for example. Now let's check in the changes. So this is asking, the right now. So go here and take it as a utility and save it. So it is bigger. It's not recommended to use, save and all. Just do comment. It's not recommend this for your ones as of now. Just I do one thing, just to comment anything. Just checking right now. And now let's see. This is I have done, right? So let's go here and go to the rule set version. So here in this rule set version, there is no other version to merging that. So this is the version I'm creating and click on. This is, I do one thing, admin to changes. Okay, now click on create and add. So whatever the admin to have done the changes, I'll just keep into this rule set. Okay, rule set version. And now let go here and right click on here on the branch. We have the option match. Click on it. So now I am team 2, right? I'm an admin 2. So whatever the rules which under the branch team 2, I'm trying to merge with the merge into the version, right? So the same time the team 1 also working on this rule, for example. Let's see who is that the changes were adding and how we can resolve it. So so it's still loading. So there is no conflict here. So I'm directly merging into this version. Now match it. right? And now let's go to the, see it is loading. I'll let go here and let's see, it's still loading. Um, this is one more to the branch. Okay, we created one diversion right here. Oh no, no process. Okay, so it is successfully matched. Okay, close it. So now right click here and refresh. So this is what deleted from the branch right now. So let's go to the admin one. Okay, so let's go to the admin one here. Here the admin one, right? So let me clarify that. Yeah, this is admin one here. Here. So now um, let's see here. This is the rule in the team one branch. So now team one also have done the changes. Test admin one changes. Okay, and now let save. I'm checking into this branch. Just give the comment whatever, and now check in this room. So what happened here? This rule is the team one has completed coding, team two already completed and match it with the version. So what I have to do if I do match? So what will be happen? So let's go to the team one and try to match it here. So click on here to proceed. Now here you see it is telling the conflict. What is the conflict? I can proceed with this new version, right? So it is not allowing to match because it is a conflict. So what is the conflict here? Click on it. So conflict will see we are copied the rule. We are copied the rule from the 01001 and the rule is already updated 01002. And the 01002 changes done by the team 2, if we're trying to merge with the version, this team 2 changes will be lost. So what system is suggested is we shouldn't do in this way, just need to copy. How we can resolve this conflict? Now let's see, go there, process, and now let just refresh it and go to the versions on this rule. Click on the action, go to the versions. Here you see 0101, 01 and 0102. Click on it. So there you see the changes, right? And now you have to copy into the theme one branch. And now this is one, um, you have to delete. So always resolving the conflict, we have to copy. See, whatever the time we matching with the rule set version, that rule should be copied from the higher version, right? See, this is the team one trying to match with the rule set with 010103, but already this rule is updated with the 010102. So that's what we got the conflict. So if we already copied from 010102 and trying to you know uh, modify the rule, then it won't get any conflict. So let's see the team one you can select, and now um, framework, and now click on create and open. So here this team one, so have done the changes. Now I'm adding just modify by the admin 1. So now the changes as done by the admin 2 and changes done by the admin 1 both are there in this in this rule right now. I'm now checking this comment and check it. And now let try to merge it now. Right click on here and click on to match and match with the version. Now here you see there is no conflict. So the conflict will find the rule we copied from the lower version, not from the updated version. So its system is not allow to match. So there is a one thing we need to understand. So now let's copy into this version, new version system is creates and copy into that and into that toolset version. Now click on to match and it's done successfully. Let's close it. Now let's go to here, the rule, where is it here? Just refresh and click on the action and here you see 0103, click on here to open and there you see the changes you see team 2 and this were updated into this version. So this is how we can overcome the conflict. So okay, so just we need to understand how we can use the branches, and while we do the branches, what are the conflict we'll face and how we can resolve the conflict, right? Yeah, this is for the today. Hope you enjoy my video. Thank you.